So, what interrupts are? Interrupts are signals that tell processor there's event that need immediate attention. When interrupt happen, processor suspends its current activities and jump to interrupt service routine to deal the event. After interrupt handler is done, processor resumes its normal activities. Interrupts can be caused by several different things. In this example we concentrate on raster interrupts. So, what raster interrupts are? Raster interrupt is signal that VIC2 sends whenever its video signal reaches its specific line. That comes handy when we want to execute some code on certain line of the screen. Instead of polling current raster line and waiting, we can set up interrupt to happen when and where we want it. In this example, instead of polling current raster line and waiting, we set raster interrupt to open top and bottom borders. First we set the interrupt disable flag. By default, C64 has set to receive interrupts from CIA1, so we need to stop those. So, how do we do that? Let's take a look to the C64 memory map and CIA1 at DC00. In DCOD there is interrupt control and status register, so that's what we need. If we write value 7F to there, we can disable interrupts from CIA1. Next we need to set up our interrupt service routine. We do that by setting up software IRQ vector at 0314. Then we need to set line where we want interrupt to happen. So, we take a look at VIC2 register at DO12. If we read it, it tells current raster line, but if we write it, VIC2 generates raster interrupt on that line. Because there is more than 256 raster lines, one extra bit is needed to cover lines 256 and over. That extra bit is highest bit at DO11. So, for now let's just set default value 1B to DO11. Next, we clear the last byte of current VIC bank to remove artifacts from borders. Then we acknowledge CIA1 interrupts and VIC2 interrupts. DO1A is VIC2 interrupt control register. We want raster interrupts, so we write 1 to DO1A. Now we are ready, so we clear interrupt disabled flag and next we just wait space. After space we reset C64. Okay, so next we need to write our interrupt service routine. Let's first change border color at DO20, so we see where our interrupt happens. Next we want little delay, so let's do some loop. And now we change border color back. Then we need to acknowledge interrupts. And last, we jump to end part of kernel's interrupt service routine. Okay, it's time to run this and see what happened. Seems we got interrupt where we wanted it. Okay, let's continue code. First we change screen height to 24 rows. And then we change screen height back to 25 rows. Okay, let's run this again. And as we see, borders disappeared, but this time we used raster interrupts for that. And finally, here is code with the comments.